In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with creating a workflow on the n8n platform and integrating it with Facebook lead ads. Whether you're new to n8n or just looking to expand your automation capabilities, following along with this guide will help you set up your first workflow with ease. We begin by opening the n8n website. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're logged into your account. n8n is a powerful, user-friendly automation tool that allows you to connect various apps and streamline your tasks. Now, once you're on the website, look for the option that says Create Workflow and give it a click. This is your starting point for building the automated processes you envision. In the n8n world, workflows are visual representations of the processes you want to automate, and it's in this space that all the magic begins. You'll notice a plus sign nestled comfortably on the upper right corner of your screen. This is our next destination. Go ahead and click on it. The plus sign opens up a world of integrations you can access, demonstrating the myriad of possibilities n8n offers to improve your productivity. Here, you can search through various applications to integrate with your workflow. For today's purpose, type Facebook into the search bar and press enter. This will filter your options to Facebook-related triggers. And what we're specifically looking to use is the Facebook lead ads trigger. Go ahead and click on that option. Now that you've selected the Facebook leads ads trigger, you will see a panel where you can enter the required details. This will typically include your client ID, which is an essential credential necessary to establish a secure connection between n8n and your Facebook account. If you're unsure where to find your client ID, it's usually available within your Facebook developer settings. Make sure you input this data accurately to avoid errors later on. By entering these details, you're effectively setting up a bridge between your workflow and Facebook, enabling n8n to collect lead data from your Facebook campaigns. This step is crucial because once connected, you'll be able to automatically process data from Facebook lead ads, such as sending follow-up emails, updating databases, or any number of other actions. And that's it! Within just a few clicks, you've successfully initiated a workflow on n8n and linked it with Facebook lead ads, paving the way for seamless automation. Remember, the possibilities are virtually limitless with n8n, so feel free to explore further and tailor workflows that best fit your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has inspired you to unlock new efficiencies in your tasks. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on how to harness the power of automation.